So for today, we are going to find the value of the following series. That is a summation of r over r to the power 4 plus r squared plus 1, where r starts from 1 all the way to infinity. Please have a good try before you look at the answer. Note that r to the power 4 plus r squared plus 1 can be written as r to the power 4 plus 2r squared plus 1 minus r squared. And for this, it can be written as r squared plus 1 squared. This gives us the difference of 2 squared. It will be r squared plus 1 plus r times r squared plus 1 minus r. Therefore, r over r power 4 plus r squared plus 1 can be written as it is r squared plus r plus 1 times r squared minus r plus 1. For the numerator, it can be written as r squared plus r plus 1 minus r squared minus r plus 1. After careful calculation, then we know that r squared will be cancelled off, 1 will be cancelled off as well. So we left with r minus negative r, which will give us 2r. But on the left hand side, we only need a 1r. So it means that we have to multiply with a half. So this means that this is half 1 over r squared minus r plus 1 minus 1 over r squared plus r plus 1. Next, we let fr to be 1 over r squared plus r plus 1. Then we know that f of r minus 1 will be equal to 1 over r minus 1 squared plus r minus 1 plus r. And this will give me r squared minus 2r plus r minus r. Plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 will be plus 1. And therefore, we are ready for this question now. So now we let Sn to be the summation of r over r4 plus r2 plus 1 from r equals to 1 to n. And this is actually the summation of half f of r minus 1 minus f of r, where r equals to 1 to n. Note that half is a constant and we can always write it in front. And the summation of fr minus 1 minus fr is actually from a telescoping sum. When r equals to 1, it is f0 minus f1. When r equals to 2, is f1 minus f2. When r equals to 3, is f2 minus f3. And so on until r equals to n, that will be f of n minus 1 minus fn. And finally, Sn will equals to half of f0 minus fn. From the definition of fr, it is equals to half 1 minus 1 over n squared plus n plus 1. And finally, summation of r equals 1 to infinity, r over r4 plus r2 plus 1 is actually equals to the limit of Sn, where n go to infinity. And therefore, it is equals to a half. So this is my method to tackle this question by using the idea of telescoping sum. If you have any other different solution, please write in the comment. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.